Gadgets and gizmos are the gifts that keep on giving. They make your life easier and look good doing it, and it's even better when they're affordable. We scoured Amazon and Alibaba to find the coolest, most innovative tech products on the market that will make your life easier. Parliament Smart Wallet. The Exter Parliament is a smart bifold wallet with RFID coding to protect against identity theft, and a patented mechanism that ejects cards from its aluminum storage pocket with the press of a button. It has space for at least 10 cards, as well as a strap for carrying cash and receipts. Exter has crafted the wallet from high-quality leather that comes in a multitude of colors. An optional Bluetooth tracker for the wallet is also available. This ultra-thin gadget has a maximum range of 200 feet, and it is powered by light, so it never needs a battery. Collapsible Umbrella. Thanks to a whole lot of innovative engineering, this collapsible umbrella by Weatherman can withstand wind gusts up to 55 miles per hour. The product can also survive drops and inverting, with the last bit being a weak point for most umbrellas. The umbrella has a quick-drying, water-repellent fabric canopy, available in many colors. Weatherman backs the product with an excellent lifetime warranty. Smaller and larger umbrellas from the brand are also available. Link and Lock Carabiner for Apple AirTags. The Raptic Link and Lock Carabiner is one of the coolest gadgets and best accessories for the Apple AirTags we've encountered yet. Crafted from ultra-tough zinc, this product has a heavy-duty lock with a 3-digit combination code. The standout feature makes tampering with your favorite tracker and removing it from an item practically impossible. Of course, the Link and Lock will also protect your AirTag from damage via a rubber case with a softer interior. Bytes 2 Pet Camera with Treat Dispenser. This is by far the coolest gadget out there for pet owners. The sleek PetCube Bytes 2 camera allows you to keep an eye on your pet while you're not home through Wi-Fi connectivity, and even deploy a treat from them right from your smartphone. Other key features of the Pet Bytes 2 include two-way audio connectivity, compatibility with Amazon Alexa voice commands, as well as the ability to send sound and motion alerts. We also like that there's an option to use the product to connect to a veterinarian. Apple Watch Series 7. The thoroughly redesigned Apple Watch Series 7 has a bigger case and a larger screen than its predecessor. Of course, the product also has best-in-class health, fitness, and wellness tracking capabilities, powered by accurate heart rate and blood oxygen sensors. Apple offers the Series 7 with a 41 or a 45mm case in a multitude of finishes. Optional cellular network connectivity is available once again. You can customize the timepiece with a wide selection of bands. Tactile wallet case for Apple AirTags. This minimalist wallet by Raptic is more featured-packed than its compact footprint suggests. In addition to space for a quartet of cards and an AirTag holder, the EDC accessory has a removable 8-in-1 multi-tool. The latter includes a set of screwdrivers, a letter opener, and a pry bar, among other bits. The wallet is crafted from vegan leather, which is durable and easy to maintain. We especially like that its multi-tool locks in place when not in use. iXpand Flash Drive Luxe. A swiveling SanDisk iXpand Flash Drive Luxe is tailor-made for Apple hardware users. It's rocking a USB-C and a Lightning connector, which make transferring images, video, and other files between Apple products and other USB-C equipped devices insanely effortless. With the help of a companion app, the metal-clad accessory can also automatically back up photos and video from an iPhone or iPad. It is available with up to 256 GB of storage. Automatically back up your iPhone photos, videos, and more. iXpand Drive app required, except for Android devices. Available for download from the Apple Store. iOS 10.0.2 or higher required. Set up automatic backup within app settings. E5 Robot Vacuum and Mop. Clean your floors more effectively and efficiently with Roborock E5 Mop. Equipped with optic eye, dual gyroscopes, and precision internal mapping, it knows where it has been and what is left to clean, and a Z-shape pattern for fast and effective cleaning. Vacuum and mop simultaneously, mopping over 16,000 square feet with 180 milliliter snap mop system, removing fine dirt that vacuuming alone may miss. Control every element of your robot wherever you are from the Roborock app. Start and stop cleaning and more with just the power of your voice. Attach the remote control to any convenient magnet surface with Roborock MagBase. ROCCAT Torch USB Microphone. Meet the ROCCAT Torch studio-grade USB microphone. Designed for aspiring creators and gamers alike, the Torch will take you and your content to the next level. 24-bit audio quality, a dual condenser design, latency-free mic monitoring, and an integrated pop guard ensures that you always sound immaculate. Featuring 3 pickup patterns, cardioid, stereo, and exclusive whisper, giving you the tools to play, create, and broadcast in any setting. Lightning-fast, contactless quick mute gives you instant control when it matters most. Compatible with a wide range of accessories such as shock mounts and boom arms, the ROCCAT Torch evolves with your setup. SoundLink waterproof Bluetooth speaker. The wireless Bluetooth speaker has a rugged utility loop that lets you secure it to almost anything, at any time, in any location. Attach it to a carabiner and hang it from a chair, or secure it to your gear for long days spent outdoors. You can even use the utility loop to hold the speaker with your finger. It won't spin or twist in a hanging position. It doesn't matter whether the portable Bluetooth speaker is upright on the counter, hanging from a shelf, or flat on its back. Position IQ technology detects its orientation and ensures natural, lifelike sound. And that happens automatically. You don't have to do a thing, even if you're holding it, carrying it, or wearing it. Orbi Pro Wi-Fi 6 Mini AX1800 router. Business-grade security with 4 SSIDs linked to 4 separate VLANs with 4 independent DHCP servers to assign IP addresses for complete network segmentation, QoS and WPA3 latest Wi-Fi security, capable of dedicating any SSID to 2.4 GHz devices to prevent congestion. Add-on business VPN subscription services to enable one-step secure VPN site-to-site, site-to-multi-site connection between corporate to branch and home offices under one corporate wireless SSID, 30-day free subscription included. Belkin MagSafe 2-in-1 wireless charger. Fast wireless charging up to 15 watts for iPhone 12 and 13 series. Only compatible with MagSafe-enabled cases for MagSafe attachment to charge wirelessly. Reimagine how you charge your new iPhone 12 or 13 with MagSafe alignment and a 2-in-1 charging solution for iPhones plus AirPods. Made for MagSafe with wireless charger provides up to 15 watts for iPhone 12 and 13 series devices, power adapter included. Charge in any orientation so you can FaceTime in portrait or easily switch to landscape to watch videos.